animals made easy.
Welcome back to my channel. See my toy collection. Look what my dad bought for me from South Asia. My dad just came back from Singapore with this toy. Look what my dad bought for me from Australia. My dad bought this amazing eagle toy all the way from South Korea. Wow! My dad bought this cool wolf toy from Canada. Look! My dad bought this amazing dragon toy all the way from China. Wow! My dad bought this powerful gorilla toy all the way from Africa. Look! My dad bought this awesome rhino toy from South Africa.
Hi friends! Please subscribe to our channel. It's free and